Hi guys, so if you want to split data into different columns, so let's say I have a set of data here and it has a comma and after that another value, and I want to split it after comma. So I want this data to be in this column and this data to be another column, adjacent column. So how to do this? Just select the data in which you want to do that, then click on data from the top tab and then click on split text to columns. If it detects automatically, then it will automatically just split it through this. If that's not the case, if you will click on it and if there is a different separator, just choose that particular separator. So in that case it was comma, so you'll choose comma, although it has detected it automatically. Let's move to a different set of data. So this is a data where this is the separator. Okay, just copy the separator. Okay, now select this data, click on data and click on split data, split text to columns. Now it is not detecting it automatically. Click on it and this is not a semicolon. So click on custom and just enter the separator here, and that's it. It has separated the data into columns. Okay. So that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching the Geek Page.